A gear is just a wheel with teeth. Put two toothed wheels together and they lock. When one spins, the other has to spin. No slipping. It's how bikes, cars, watches, and even ancient Greek computers move power from A to B. Why humans love them? They're cheat codes for force. Remember riding a bike? Easy gear equals big wheel turns, small wheel. You pedal easy, but you go fast. Good for flat road. Hard gear equals small wheel turns, big wheel. You pedal hard, but you climb hills like a beast. That's gears. Same energy in, different result out. They let you trade speed for strength or strength for speed. The cool part, they're everywhere, not just cars. Gears are in, your wristwatch ticking, the printer pulling paper, wind turbines the size of buildings, even 2,000-year-old computers like the Antikythera mechanism humans have been using this trick since 4th century China. It's one of our oldest tech hacks. Bonus. Gear means other cool stuff too. Samsung gear watches, aircraft landing gear, even a long-running Japanese theater show called Gear. The one-sentence takeaway. Gears are just toothed wheels that let machines borrow strength from each other, so a tiny motor can lift something huge, or you can turn pedaling into speed.